Hello friends, if you are searching how to hard reset Fitbit Versa 2, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can wipe all data in Fitbit Versa 2. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Step 1. First, turn on the watch. To do it, hold the back button for a couple of seconds. Step 2. After that, swipe left on the screen until you see the settings icon. Then tap it to open the settings. Step 3. Once in settings, scroll down and tap on the about. Step 4. Next, scroll down and find factory reset. Now, finally, tap reset to confirm and start the resetting process. Wait until Fitbit logo appears on the screen. The hard reset is complete now. Please remember that performing this operation will remove all of your data and settings from the device. Only by using this method, you can easily wipe all data in Fitbit Versa 2. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.